Hello. Yes, that's me. Hello. Sophie's still not feeling well today. I've felt pretty crappy all day, not gonna lie. But I went to work and got through it and just. We're having tea. We're starting to cook tea. I'm not sure if Sophie will be able to eat any of it, but we're gonna have chicken curry, fry some poppadoms and mango chutney and all sorts of other. Is that what we're having?
Did you say fry some poppadoms?
Did I say fry some poppadoms?
Yeah.
I don't know. Did I?
Yeah.
You can you fry poppadoms?
No, they're ready to eat.
Ready to eat poppadoms. We're gonna try and have a curry night. It's probably not the best thing even though Sophie's ill, but all I can see is a little ice that's just hiding. Yo, 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 yo. Baby, what's in this pan?
Rice.
Oh my god, Sophie's in your takeaway. Chill out. Sophie's made curry. Woo, poppadoms. She's not having the sauce on top because she's still not feeling very go well. It's not right, well it is, but I ain't cleaned out properly yet, but Sophie's got to give me some medicine. Oh god, this, oh my god, I'm on, no, only one of them.
Here for wide.
Ha, I don't like it.
Over wide.
That's it. Come on, yeah. Feels quite nice when it goes on your throat though.
Wait, you can have some more of the morning. I hope you're not for 1 o'clock in the morning.
Can I have a drink?
No! You can't have a drink because that washes it all away.
Yeah, got a drink too.
No, you don't.
It's for
It
chesty
washes it
coughs,
all.
I washed it.
You don't know it. It washes it all away.
What? You're supposed to have a drink after.
No, you're not.
Sophie's making a sandwich for lunch. Laptop club time. Yo, we have, what have we done? Tidied the house up, I've sorted my car out. That was literally just full of rubbish. My car's actually clean for once nearly. Sorted the garage out, you've gone around and tidied the living room. The living room is actually nice and tidy for once. We're going to have a snugly laptop club on the sofa. Might even whap out a bit of ice cream. I think Sophie's feeling a little bit better because she's been really down all day today. I'm feeling a little better, although my throat is still awful. Sophie felt better yesterday, now she's not feeling as bad. I've already told them this, I already told you guys this, I can't remember what I've vlogged it on. I've got my dressing gown on and my slippers. I'm going to go outside in a minute and get the washing in. At like 10 o'clock at night, I don't know what time it is. What time is it?
10:15.
10:15. Boop. To the back door. To the back door, get on the floor. I don't want to see you no more. I made that up in my head. What did I do? That's scary. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Oh. What are you doing? Ben & Jerry's was put back up to normal price, so Tesco's own £2 tub will have to do. But Sophie can't eat it. No.
Alright, get ready for bed.
You do that?
Don't get 7 heat off.
I won't forget to turn the heat off. Hey, we're gonna go to bed now. We're very, very tired. I'm sorry if today's vlog's only been a short vlog. Ow! Kick my foot because I'm trying to put my slippers on. Oh, I've put them on the wrong foot now. I'm feeling very tired. Sophie's gonna go get ready for bed, so we're gonna go to bed. I have work all day tomorrow, 7 till 6. So, as you can tell, we're both still a bit coffee and a bit. My eyes probably look really lazy. I'm quite tired. Thanks for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Apologise for the length. Tomorrow's will probably be similar, and then Sunday we've got a full day off together. Woo! Am we? Full day off together. Our first sort of proper full day off together. That isn't because we're ill. I guess I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. In a bit.